Pisces, hi. Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong July 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. So unahin natin yung mga Pisces na in a relationship. Let's see what's up. Oh. So, merong energy ng Taurus and Libra. Five of Wands. Misunderstanding. Okay, so maaring merong energy from the past na pwedeng maging reason ng pag-aaway nyo. Lalo na kung ito ay katrabaho, no, ng person mo. Some of you, maaring you are quite sensitive right now, lalo na kung meron ditong buntis. Pwedeng ikaw buntis, person mo buntis. So, may ano dyan, hormonal imbalance. Medyo moody, mabilis magselos, mainis. Yeah, Ten of Pentacles, you are really building a strong foundation in your relationship. I think there's a lot of mga responsibilities in your relationship. So, focus kayo sa pera, focus kayo sa pag-iipon in your finances, to have financial stability, financial security. I think ang isa lang sa pwedeng maging reason ng stress ninyo is kung masyadong maraming kailangan gawin, masyadong maraming trabaho na kailangan tapusin, pwedeng maapektuhan nyo yung bawat isa dahil sa mood ninyo. Siyempre, di ba, pag pagod, ang bilis mairita. So, manage your emotions, your feelings, para hindi siya maging dahilan ng misunderstanding with your person. Diba? So, let's see, ano pa. Pisces. Diba? Surviving daily hustle. Pwede kasing marami kayong gustong gawin, ma-accomplish, bilhin. So, parang there's a lot of pressure in this relationship. Some of you gusto nyo magbakasyon, pero hindi kayo makapagbakasyon. Or you want to give more time with your person. Yeah, you're trying to balance your time, your energy with your person, and also yung mga iba pang responsibilities. You may be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But I think, no, itong relationship na to is, you love each other. There is a soulmate energy here. Kaya lang, I think, pwedeng isa sa inyo or pareho kayo focus doon sa stability ng inyong finances. Dahil syempre sa relationship, hindi lang puro love, feelings, ganyan. It's also about the practicality of your union, of your relationship, of your partnership. Pwede kasi yung isa sa inyo meron ditong, may mga pinagkakagastosan na itinatago na pwedeng nagiging dahilan ng pag-aaway, lalo na kung isa sa inyo mahilig sa sasakyan. Oo, bawa, instead na iipunin nyo na, bibili nyo pa ng mags. No, bagong mags. Or bagong gulong. Or accessory sa sasakyan. Na hindi nyo na pinapaalam sa person nyo. Pwedeng vice versa, yung person nyo, ganun. So, it can be, a challenge in your relationship. Na, gusto niyo mong lahat ng ginagawa niya may proof na yun talaga, para doon talaga yun. Okay? Practice compassion, see things from a fresh perspective. So, pagdating sa relationship na to, maaring may nagbabago sa inyong pananaw sa buhay. Kung dati, yun nga, masyado lang kayong focus dun sa mga happy-happy sa relationship. So, ngayon, mas nagiging seryoso kayo of about ano yung focus ninyo, ano yung priority nyo sa relationship na to. Para saan ba to? Bakit ba kayo nasa relationship na to? Ano yung gusto nyo ma-achieve moving forward? Okay? So, that's for in a relationship. Now, doon na tayo sa mga single. Singles. Pisces na singles. What are the energies for Pisces singles? King of Cups. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. The Six of Wands. Okay. Some of you, I see a breadwinner, no? Someone who is really working hard para sa kanyang family, para sa kanyang mga pangarap sa buhay. Pwedeng very busy siya, kaya wala siyang panahon. Wala kang panahon sa love life. A lot of responsibilities, yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, nagsimula kayong magnegosyo or kakastart nyo pa lang sa trabaho, or some of you are studying as well, nag-aaral. So, you have a lot of priorities at this time. So, mas focus ka ngayon sa pangarap mo, sa mga gusto mo pang ma-achieve na mga goals. So, you are, parang hindi ka ganun ka-interesado sa romantic connection. Although there is someone here na pwedeng matagal mo nang kakilala, someone who understands you, this can be your best friend, na opposite sex, or can be someone na you are attracting, na someone is very compassionate sa'yo. But I think, ito yung tipong kahit gusto mo ng relationship, hindi mo magawa is because you are focused on some other things. Yung iba sa inyo, nanggaling kayo sa isang unsuccessful relationship, and you feel like parang hindi ka pa nakaka-move on dun sa energy ng past. Kahit na pwedeng meron nagkakaroon ng interest sa inyo, pero you feel like you're not yet ready for this relationship. You feel like this is not the best time to get into a relationship. Maraming tumatakbo sa isip mo. Some of you are parang dinidistract mo na lang yung sarili mo, no? Nililibang mo yung sarili mo sa trabaho, sa mga bagay na iba mong pwedeng pagkaabalahan, para lang hindi ka makaisip ng longingness na kung sana meron kang romantic partner ngayon, or a partner that is going to help you building your dreams, achieving your goals. So, kumbaga parang ayun yung meron ditong energy ng what if. What if hindi kayo naghiwalay ng person mo from the past? Ano na kaya nangyari? So it's causing some anxiety in you na pwedeng naghihinder para mag-heal ka from that past experience. No? So you really have to help yourself para makarecover ka from your past at makapag-focus ka rin sa life or sa buhay na gusto mo na marating mo. So kung may naririnig kayo na medyo maingay sa background, umuulan, ang ingay, hindi ko marinig yung boses ko ngayon. But anyway, let's see. Pisces. Intention, number 1. What if the only resolution you made was to love yourself more? Yes. So para sa'yo, importante yung intention ng tao sa'yo. Na pwede kasing meron namang available na romantic partner, pero hindi siya seryoso. Gusto lang niya fun, saya-saya lang, with mga benefits lang, friends with benefits. So, importante sa'yo yung intention ng isang tao before you get yourself committed in that relationship. Bago ka magbigay ng oras at panahon at mag-invest sa isang relationship. But I think for some of you, you are still in the process of, healing, overcoming your past experience na hindi naging successful pagdating sa relationship. Some of you are still in the process of moving on, moving forward. So maganda dyan is i-redirect nyo yung attention ninyo sa goals na gusto nyong ma-achieve. Kasi I see you becoming more successful kahit na kayo lang. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!